Red chili powder. Feel the taste of your food. Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. And we all really need the old ways these days. Okay, here's the ingredient list for today's recipe. I think you're really going to like this one. I love the spice mixes you can make yourself. I like making my own spices. I like knowing that there's no additives or preservatives in my spices. It's just pure ingredient. So here you go, Rebel Canners. Here's the recipe for this. It is so easy to do. This recipe calls for approximately 24 dried red chilies. Whenever possible, when dealing with hot peppers, always wear protective gloves. Remove the stems, and then if you don't want it super hot, remove the seeds and the veins. Blend at high speed and grind into a powder. You may need to sift it and regrind what won't go through your sieve. This makes approximately 1 cup of chili powder, depending upon the size of your chili. And that's it, Rebel Canners. That's really all there is to it. If you remember, I was drying my chilies in the car back here, and now they're ready to be made into powder. But you can adapt this recipe to use with any dried, fully dehydrated pepper. So if you want to make a jalapeno pepper powder or hot Scotch bonnet pepper powder, you can do that. It's going to take a lot more time, and you might want to put on a mask and goggles as well as gloves. But you can make your own powdered pepper powders. It's like saying Peter Pepper picked a peck of peppers. Yeah, pickled peppers. Except they can't be pickled if he's picking them till he's already picked them and pickled them. Bye, Rebel Canners. Have a great day. Check out this entire playlist of spices you can make for yourself at home and break free of the grocery store, Rebel Canners. Like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another episode.